Acurlite Structural Skylights is a single-source manufacturer of heavy-duty aluminum and glass skylight systems for commercial daylighting. We offer turnkey resources that include design, engineering, fabrication, manufacturing, and installation if required. Our skylights have been engineered from the ground up to be a complete structural system. And our skylights are rigorously tested to over 3 times the industry standard. All of our testing procedures use full-size mock-up units that capture many of our system's geometries, avoiding costly individual mock-ups for each unique project. The Acurlite Skylight System is tested year over year by independent third-party testing laboratories. This testing is the backbone of our advancements in engineering. Combined with continuous product iterations and improvements, Acurlite is able to provide the most stringent skylight specification in the modern building industry. Acurlite not only offers the best performing skylight system in our industry, we also take a unique approach to fabrication and manufacturing. This allows us to produce a top quality product that is not only easy to install, but is also aesthetically pleasing. Acurlite's production facility uses high-end CNC machinery, strict fabrication tolerances, and computer-driven manufacturing procedures. This enables us to deliver furniture quality results every time, requiring zero field fabrication. No other commercial skylight system in the market can make that statement. Our team's wide range of expertise and experience enables considerable field and labor savings. Experience the Acurlite advantage on your next project and enjoy the benefits of our skylight system's unique attributes. Each of Acurlite's projects are fully shop fabricated to the required specifications and assembled at our production facility before the components are shipped to the job site. This ensures all parts and pieces fit seamlessly, without any unsightly gaps or uneven sightlines. Acurlite prides itself on attention to detail and ensuring the product received in the field is complete, easy to install, and of the highest quality. Factory-assembled rafters are easily joined at the compression ring with no special tools required. Jack rafters are pre-fit in the factory to confirm the joinery is furniture quality. All framing components are pre-notched and test-fitted, and all gaskets, seal flanges, and glass rests are pre-installed at our facility. After sill pans and lugs are installed on the curb, complete framing assemblies can be lowered into place and easily fastened. Infill framing can be quickly installed with our trademark mortise and tenon system, and all of our closure flashings are pre-cut to final lengths, and all corners are formed, welded, and sealed in the factory. Infill glazing is easily set on the factory-installed gaskets and structurally glazed where required. Pressure caps, backer rods, and weather seals are installed, creating a water and airtight assembly. Finally, cover caps are snapped on to provide a seamless look across the unit. Our highly skilled technicians and strict production processes allow us to provide an error-free product that meets or exceeds the highest quality available on the market today. Rafters and purlins are automatically cut to final size at our double-headed miter saw station. Universal pivoting and tilting of both saw units allows cutting of high and wide profiles, as well as every type of compound miter. From there, each individual beam is notched and drilled in our 5-axis CNC machine. Onboard tool magazines ensure tool changing times are kept short to optimize machining cycles. Once every component has been cut to specification, our skilled assembly technicians get to work, fully preparing the individual components for field installation. Fully fabricated sill pans with factory-made corner assemblies provide the base for each of our watertight geometries. Attachment lugs are laid out and sealed so that factory unitized framing sections can be lowered into place and secured, saving installers time in the field. Horizontal purlins are dropped in from above and fastened without the need for shear blocks or stack building of the system. With the framing fastened to the curb and sill pan sealed, glazing can begin. These partial assemblies are typically completed in the factory to ensure fitment, but can also be broken down before shipment to comply with on-site logistics. After the glazing is set, structural silicone is tooled to ensure glazing is properly secured to the framing. Depending on the skylight geometry, framing assemblies can even be shipped factory glazed, significantly reducing field labor. Closure flashings are pre-cut to final lengths, and all corners are formed, welded, and sealed in the factory. All closure splice plates are also included in your assembly kit. This ensures the final product is of furniture quality and an air and watertight assembly. After closure flashing is secured, pressure caps, weather seals, and cover caps are installed to complete the skylight. This particular unit covers many aspects of the Acurlite Skylight System's various geometries and was used for air, water, and other independent testing and verification purposes. With our precise computer-driven manufacturing technologies and the ability to deliver each skylight's components factory assembled and unitized at various levels of completion, no other product compares to our turnkey daylighting solution. All gaskets are factory installed, and all fasteners, anchors, backer rod material, and silicone are provided in your assembly kit. With Acurlite's patented mortise and tenon design, installation in the field can be accelerated. This means fewer man-hours, which statistically reduces workmen's compensation claims. Every one of our fully customized closures are completely formed and shop fabricated, especially complex corner and jamb assemblies. These key components are fully assembled in the factory and shipped in a complete unitized assembly, ensuring guaranteed quality and water tightness. Acurlite does not stop there. Through our immense experience completing complex and monumental projects with limited on-site logistics and short project schedules, our highly skilled team has the ability to deliver a product at any stage of completion, partially unitized or fully factory assembled and glazed. You heard that right. Fully glazed modules shipped right to the field. A plug-and-play solution to tight schedules and modern construction demands. Partner with Acurlite on your next skylight project, regardless of scope, scale, or complexity. The Acurlite team of experienced professionals has the track record and guarantees the best customer service and top product in our industry. Contact Acurlite today and experience the Acurlite advantage for yourself.